In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete contacts in ActiveCampaign. If you're managing a large list of contacts, sometimes you need to do a bit of tidying up, and deleting multiple contacts at once can save you a lot of time. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to log in to your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to the Contacts section. This is the central hub where all your contact information resides, and from here, we can begin the process of managing and cleaning up your contact list. Now, if you have a specific set of contacts in mind that you wish to delete, the search function is your best friend. You can use the basic search option to quickly locate these contacts by typing in any identifying information you have, such as their names, email addresses, or any tags associated with them. If you're dealing with a more complex set of criteria, or if you prefer a more refined approach, you can utilize the Advanced Search feature. Advanced Search allows you to filter contacts based on a variety of parameters, helping you narrow down exactly who needs to go. Once your search results are displayed, it's time to select the contacts you wish to remove. You have a couple of options for selecting multiple contacts. One straightforward way is to click the checkboxes beside each contact. Just go through your filtered list and check the boxes next to the names of those you wish to delete. This method works well if your batch of contacts is manageable in size and you prefer a hands-on approach. However, if you're dealing with a larger list, say up to 1,000 contacts, ActiveCampaign has a feature called Edit All, which can significantly speed up the process. When you select Edit All, it automatically selects the entire filtered list for you, ensuring you're working efficiently, especially if you're tidying up a big batch of contacts. Once you have made your selection, you'll notice a Delete button appearing above the list of contacts. Clicking this button will initiate the deletion process. It's important to be confident in your selection before proceeding, as this action is permanent. ActiveCampaign will prompt you to confirm that you indeed want to delete the selected contacts. Take a moment here to double-check your selection to avoid axing any contacts that you might want to keep. For instance, those with future potential or ongoing activities linked to them. When you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This will remove the selected contacts from your account, freeing up space and ensuring your contact list remains up to date and manageable. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly clean up your contact list in ActiveCampaign, maintaining an efficient and effective CRM. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.